multiplying and dividing by decimals to the hundredths. I know how to multiply and divide, but what do I do when there's a decimal? Well, let's take a look. Let's think about standard algorithm. 7 times 3 would equal 21. We'd have to regroup the 2. Now 3 times 8 equals 24, plus the 2 we regrouped equals 26. Next, 3 times 6 equals 18, plus the 2 equals 20. When we add a decimal to our problem, there are a few ways to solve the problem. One method is to simply drop the decimal down into the answer. Be sure to place it in between the correct place values. Now we multiply our digits in the same way as before. Another way to think about this is to temporarily slide our decimal over to the right. In this problem, we are sliding over 2 places. Next, we multiply our problem just like we did before. Once that has been completed, drop down the decimal and slide it over to the left now, an equal number of places, 1, 2. When the problem has a decimal in both numbers, again you want to slide the decimal to the right. With these numbers, you are moving both the top and the bottom over 2 times each, or a total of 4 places. Multiply the ones place first. Now, let's multiply the tens place. Once we've completed that, add the 2 together. Now take a look at our answer. We now need to drop our decimal down and slide them to the left an equal number of times we originally moved to the decimal. So in this case, 4 times. Dividing is very similar. First, remember our steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Some people like to remember the steps by using a phrase or set of words that start with the same letter, such as dad, mom, sister, brother, or dirty monkeys smell bad. Now, let's take a look at this practice problem. We're going to follow our 4 steps of division. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And we will repeat those steps until we have completed the entire problem. When we add a decimal to the problem, it's much like multiplication, except this time we're going to slide the decimal up. Be careful, make sure it ends up in the correct place value. Now, continue to divide with our 4 steps. Now, take this opportunity to practice some on your own.